Little bird up there, and he loves attacking Timo. So I'm going to film it and see if it happens again. Okay, here we go. He likes to attack Timo. He goes down and he tries to attack him. Now that I'm filming him, of course he won't do it. You know, Murphy's Law. Maybe if I... There it is. Did you get it? Did you get that? Let's see if he does it again. I missed it as the stupid spam call was happening. So I hope I had it on there. Yeah, I got you, little bird. Killer bird. See if I can. There he is, he's getting ready to attack. There he goes. There he goes. He didn't get so close. There he goes, right there. He keeps trying to attack Timo. Did you guys see it? Here he comes again. There he goes again. There he is sitting up on top of there. All right, Timo, you got it. That bird wants to kick your ass. Come on, buddy.